What's up, legends? We are right back at it again, taking you guys on a trip with me to Cancun, Mexico for my birthday. I tried to vlog as much as I can. I'm getting better at it, but I really just get lost in the moment, just living. But let's go ahead and get right into it, man. Hey, you said what's the
Vámonos, ready to go? 40, yes. Vámonos. Follow me, please. My coworker Luis will be your driver today, and Luis will take you to the resort. Please
Thank you.
We have free Wi-Fi in the car also. If you use it, it's a direct connection. Welcome aboard and enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
De nada, señor.
Hola señores,
How you doing, man?
how are you today?
Good.
We go to TRS Coral, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. This is
Oh
for you.
man, thank you. Big fan. So the resort was only about 20 minutes away from the airport, so the ride wasn't long at all. Just got to sit back and really just enjoy the views. It kind of gave me like a downtown Miami vibe though, cause it has like a lot of new tall buildings. You got the tropical palm trees, the water, so it took me back to like a Miami vibe. But man, I can say this is one of my favorite parts going on trips, is just riding through the city and just really just enjoying the views, man. How you doing?
Your name, señor.
Alright, that's cool.
Yes. When you finish, you can put it here.
Okay.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Show you guys the room. As you can see, it's a wristband to open the door. So that's definitely a vibe. Come in, you got the nice bathroom. Nice vibes, as you can see. Nice little couch over there. Got a little desk area. Nice TV. And we got the Don Julio. A lot more bottles on the way. We gotta have the tequila vibes here in Mexico. And you got the nice balcony, man, with the big views. So let's hop out here. All right, come out here. You got a nice bathtub. Little lounging area as well. Another little like cabana type of vibe as well. So there's definitely a vibe there. The most important thing is the view, man. Such a nice view. This place is a big vibe for sure. And they got the swim up rooms down there. Look at the beach. I definitely take y'all over to the beach so y'all can catch a vibe over there too. All right, so not done yet though. Come inside, as you can see, there's a whole nother level, man. It's a nice little loft vibe in here. See the sumacs going crazy. I gotta change out of this stuff though. come upstairs. Got the bedroom. Really spacious bedroom. Another TV. Then you pretty much got the same view. But then you can see the balcony as well from this view, man. So that's a real nice touch right there. Got a nice bathroom right here, full-size mirror. And yeah, man, look at these. Got the light up mirrors. Got the 2 sinks, his and hers, you know? Then you got a nice big bathtub again right here in the bathroom. Then you got a really nice shower as well. So you got the bath vibe and you got the shower vibe. A lot of storage. Got the bathrobes, the slippers, big dog vibes. So yeah, man, as you can see, it's a lot of storage, man. I'm not usually the one to unpack my stuff, but I think I might do that this time. Go back downstairs, man. The mini bar, coffee maker. I don't know what that is exactly. All the essentials. Got the mugs, everything. Then you got the mini bar, got the beer, Dos Echoes, Pepsi. Got the beer as well, Coors Light. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So I'm gonna definitely be enjoying myself here for the next couple days, man. We only about 30 subscribers away from 1K, man. So I'm hoping by the time y'all see this video, we've already hit 1K. That'll be a great birthday gift from y'all to me, most definitely. So if you're not already and you seeing this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, man. But other than that, man, we just catching a vibe, just sitting on the balcony, enjoying the view. Got the Don here with me, and you know, big vibes. Grab me a pina colada, you know, got the phones on, nice comfy vibes. And, you know, we just enjoying the pool vibes. DJ over there going crazy. This ain't really my type of music, but it's all good. Nice little margarita. How's the steak? It's good. It's okay. It's nasty. Good morning, good morning. It's my birthday today. Blessed to see another day, man. Another lap around the sun. About to go hit that beach, man, catch a vibe. And yeah, man, happy birthday to us all, man. All the legends that been rocking with me, man. We gonna celebrate this one together. You hear me? Hey, the foams are perfect for the beach. I'm saying, man. For real.
You prefer sex or later?
Yeah, I'll wait a little bit.
Are
Yeah.
you sure? Okay.
Yeah, I've been doing
You
a
do
lot of
it?
drinking, man.
Okay, no problem. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
es de bill, 60 stop one.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, señorita. Store bar, let's go. Vámonos. Rápido. Coffee es normal, de restaurant, de tiro, de chopper,
So they had ferries that took you to different places on the resort, different buildings, restaurants, even some of the other resorts that are associated with the one that we were staying at. So it was just a nice, peaceful way to kind of move around, get around. Oh, wifey with the surprises, man. Catch a vibe in the tub, man. Alright, man, so we're gonna celebrate this birthday together, man. Salute to all the legends that been rocking with me so far, man. Like I always tell you, I couldn't do it without you, and I can't thank you enough. We're gonna pop this one and celebrate, man. At the pool with it, man. Slides on. Y'all, this drink is so good, bro. This drink is so good. It's called a mint red. I kept getting the same drink over and over. And wifey was like, man, you need to get something different. She was like, get this mint red. And I was like, man, why can't I just get what I want to get? She said, nah, you need to get something different. Get this mint red. It's the best decision I've ever made. This the second one or the third one? This my second one. This the second of many more. Yep, still going, y'all. Like, I might not get no other drink, but it's the vibes. Show me shit. See, she trying to get me to get more now. See, I'm very stuck in my ways. Alright, I'm gonna try something real good. If it ain't as good as this, we're coming right back. Got the good eats. Crabs. Good morning. My first time trying churros and macarons. I never had it. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it on this one, man. I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog everything and record everything, but man, it was all about the peace of mind and relaxation. So I thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video, man. And of course, we got many more trips and many more vlogs to come. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Salute to you, legends.